these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong.
Hey Glam family, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY. Today to continue on with our Amazon dupe challenge. Y'all, we got 2 more days. Today Friday, so we got Saturday and Sunday. Then I'm gonna be done looking for Amazon dupes. But today we are going to make something so simple, but yet so elegant like we did yesterday. It's just gonna be a vase, and we're just gonna use this box. Y'all keep y'all Amazon boxes, honey, because they could come to some good use. And we're gonna use our mirrored tile that we got from dotflower.com, y'all. Okay, so all we're gonna do is close this box with some tape, and we are going to put our tile on the box. Okay guys, so this is a beautiful vase from Amazon, and y'all, this one is mine. Okay guys, so this is mine. This is how mine turned out, and you know what it's giving me? Amazon vibes. I love it. It is so gorgeous. It looks just like the one in Amazon. I really am proud of this, y'all. And let me just tell y'all, this will make a great centerpiece, beautiful centerpiece. And also some decor, you know, like for your entryway table or something like that. It'll make something, it'll make it look really, really nice. I love it. And if y'all love it, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all have a great day.